Hi guys and welcome to today's video. It's Crypto Tiger here, and today I got a new amazing project to show you, which is of course Vision. So it is on the address v.network, so you can find it there of course by searching it, or you can find it in the description of this video. So you can click and you are here, and that's it. So let's see what they got. So cloud virtual metaverse, so that's kinda innovative. Let's see. The first metaverse blockchain infrastructure provider with a focus on database and cloud services. So that's very cool. And here we got the button to get started, of course. And if we click here, it will take us to this page where we got all the things that are like important to know about this product. So of course you can discover what Vision is, how to start building on Vision, where to acquire and store VS, which is the token, and where to discuss Vision. So of course every information is here provided by the product, so everything is very transparent. So we can of course learn about the Vision for developers, for the individuals. So we can click for more information here. So everything is for you. So everything is very simple. So here we got what is Vision. So let's see how about this one. Let's click on learn more and see. Here we got to the introduction. So that's it. So let's see. VS is the native token of Vision Network. A brand new currency stores value of Vision permanently, securely, and transparently. So of course very cool advantages. So every VS holder also holds a stake in the Vision network, so that's kinda of course important about this one. And VS stored in a wallet can be pledged and voted to a stake pool to earn specialized mint rewards to participate in the successful running of the network, or just simply pledged as liquid asset in your wallet to receive spread mint rewards. So that's kind of cool, of course, to have some rewards and all the benefits that goes with that. In time, VS will also be usable for a variety of application and services on the Vision ecosystem. So of course the product will grow. And why Vision? So here we got all the advantages why Vision is of course the best. So you can search it here and have some information. If you read it, you will be fully informed with the product. So everything is so transparent. So everything is here, from the how it works to the advantages, through how it is going, all this stuff. So everything is here. So let's go back to the main page, and here we got some more like a features to the product. So first one is Vision Scan, which is the Vision Network Explorer. Here you got all the statistics, all the stuff. So let's see it. So here we got the page with all the statistics that we got about the token. So it is of course the VS token, which I mentioned before. And as you can see, you can search for more addresses like the hash token blocks and more. So that's kind of cool. And trending search is also shown, so that's kind of cool that everything is so transparent. Here we got also the latest blogs, total TXN, total accounts, current max TPS, total VS staked, contracts, token, and nodes. So everything is here. Some charts are also shown, so that's kind of cool that everything is here for you to check it. So everything is under your control, as well as very secure. So that's kinda very cool. So let's be back. Next we have IDE, which is development environment. So here we got the page, so you can search for some more here. That's kind of cool. The next thing is the wallet. So that's kind of cool stuff, because the project has its own feature as it is the wallet. So let's see how about this one. So as you can see, you can get the wallet on your browser as a extension, as well as your phone, which is being iOS or Android, so pretty much everywhere, so you can get it. It's pretty accessible, and I will show you how it works once again, so let's get it. So today we will go with a Chrome extension as a browser that I got. So we gotta click on install vtimes for Chrome, and it will take us to the page where we can get it. So let's go. And here we got the page where we got Chrome Web Store. So as you can see here, we can get it to our Chrome. So let's click on this, and it will of course add the extension to our browser. So I think that's pretty easy to do. So it installed pretty quickly. As you can see, I got is on my Chrome, and now we can start with it. So we can click here on it, and here we got the page or of course the window where we can set our account with this password, and of course repeating it. So I will do it and I will be back. Okay, so I did the passwords, so now we can click on continue to of course go on, and of course we can create a wallet or import wallet, so you can choose either this or this. I will create because I want to show you how it works. So let's click on it, and here we can of course set the name of our account, so we can of course now name it. So let's name it like the crypto tiger, and like that. Now we can go on, and here we got the memory phrase, which is of course the verification system. So of course let's take a screen of it because it is of course very worth it to remember it, because it will be needed in the next phase. So now let's go on to the next one, and now we can of course take it in the right order. So I will do it, and I will be back once again. So now I got it. It's pretty easy to do. Of course you gotta like take a screen, and it will be even easier to remember. So let's go confirm, and as you can see now I got the wallet. So I think that's pretty easy to do. It takes like a minute to set it up, so I think that's pretty easy to do, so that's a advantage. So here we'll be having the assets list. So as you can see here we got the token of the project, which is VS. So as you can see the amount of it is showing here. I don't have it yet, so of course and here will of course we can add some assets, so I think that's pretty easy to do. And here we got our address, so everything is provided in the main page. We got some of course the other features, other options. We can set everything, so that's a pretty cool thing. Here we got some settings, so as you can see we can here have our address book, so that's pretty cool. If we want to have a DA app, whitelist, so here we can set everything, note manage, pricing currency, so of course that's pretty useful. So that's a thing, so that's very cool. We can set of course the language we are using, so let's keep with the English. And here we got the auto log, which we can of course set in a period of time we want to use or never, so that's pretty cool too. And about us, so if you want to know some more. And the last thing about these features is status. So as you can see, this is the page, and all systems are operational, so everything is how it's supposed to be. So that's kind of like promising. So we can be back to some more information. So here we got Vision ecosystem. The Vision ecosystem is growing with thousands of active daily users. If you are a dev team, you can apply for developers incentive plan. So here we got some partners of the project, so that's very important to grow. And why vision? Fast, scalable and efficient. So that is the three words that are describing this product. So vision attaches great importance to efficiency and scalability, and not only can better support application interaction with high TPS, but also can be compatible with contracts and data of different chains. So of course very cool. And here we got the video. I gotta mention that everything is done so well. As you can see, the graphics are the highest level, so that's kinda important and very promising about the product. And here we got some more information about the VPOS. So the protocol is the accumulation of tireless effort building on foundational research and is propelled by a vision for more secure and transparent global metaverse system. So that's a thing. And here we got the simple secure, so that's very important. Visions validator nodes form a global trustless and leaderless proof of stake network, so that's very important. Almost instant transfer, so that's very cool that it is so speed. Transactions on Vision are finalized in a second and cost a fraction of a cent, so that's a thing. The next thing and the last one, Ethereum compatible. Vision is EVM compatible, deploys and run your Ethereum dApps on Vision, so that's very cool. Here we got the build on Vision, so it is for developers, so we can of course be a part of it. So we can start building on Vision using Solidity and the tools you're already familiar with, which is Remix, Truffle and MetaMask. Vision supports the EVM and you can deploy your dApps just like on Ethereum. Access to the documentation and connect with our developer community, so we can read the docs to be familiar with all the information about this. So we got here some more about the EVM compatible, open source and Go engine and availability. So that's kind of cool. And here we got the staking. So of course you can stake and start with it by clicking this button, and here you can of course check everything. So that's kind of cool feature on this page that you can check how about the staking. So you can choose the amount and then locking it for the period time you are interested in, so everything is here. So that's kind of cool. And you can earn a flexible APY, so that's kind of cool that you earn some benefits by doing this, so that's kind of cool. And you can choose your rewards, which is very fun thing of course, and goes with many benefits. So that's kind of cool. Unlock liquidity, which is of course your pledged. VS gives you photon or entropy synthetic assets you can use within the Vision ecosystem. So that's kind of cool. And compound your staking, you can receive rewards every few hours and compound them for even greater returns or on your staking. So it is very cool. For the like longer amount of time you can of course compound it and got something better, so that's kind of cool. And you can join the Vision community, which is of course the Discord, Twitter, Telegram and GitHub. So if you are interested in the project, you can follow them there to see some more information or more updates, so you can be on with any news and information. That's kind of important if you are interested in product. And also here you got the latest news, so if you are interested you can check the page, and this section tells you what's going on in the product, so that's kind of cool. And you can also stay updated on the newsletter, which is the Vision news, by of course typing your email and signing up. So if you're interested, it is the right time and right place to do it. So that's very cool. So comment down below what you think about this project. I think that's a very cool one. And of course Remember that I'm not a financial advisor, and all you do by yourself. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye!